do you have?
A Play-Doh cooking machine.
Who got this for you?
Daddy.
Why?
Because I listen.
You listened? And then for what else?
Valentine's gift.
Nice. Alright, let's open it. Alright, you know how to open it?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna open it.
So.
No, you can't do this by yourself. Toys R Us. It comes with, it's a cookout creation. Okay? Meaning this is a, it's a grill. Comes with a hamburger, patties, cheese. There's another one.
And it comes with a
And
suction.
scissors or whatever that is. Instructions.
Instructions.
Alright, you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Let's put it together.
I don't know what this goes. It's like a sword. Yeah.
Alright, so you already have this ready. So I guess that goes here. So
Oh, sesames. Sesames. Hey.
alright.
The hot dog thingy.
Where? Guess this one goes there? No. This one does not go there. No. That one, this one goes there. It will come out here like that. This is just your utensils.
More sesames.
Yes, this is your utensils that you're gonna use. Alright, so let's turn it back like this. Alright, so where does this go? Where does this go? This is to cut that. And it comes from there. And then it comes with Play-Doh. 5 of them? That's pretty awesome. And then this, I guess. And your meats. Shape them up. Right? You put Play-Doh in here and you shape up your meats.
Yeah, and some chicken too.
Nice.
Come down and stick it out too. And we also have this included and this too.
So
This is the grill.
you will make your shapes with that. This is the hot dog. And then here you put Play-Doh and you put this inside.
And you can make whatever you want.
That's for the cheese.
And this is for the flip.
And when
Some
I would-
hamburgers.
Okay, so this.
And then stars. It goes here.
Hold on, huh? Is this your salt and pepper? I don't know what this is. Anyway, you like the toy?
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you recommend this toy to other kids?
Yes.
So they should go and buy it? Open the Play-Doh and start making something?
Yes.
Oh my god, I thought I'm done with this thing. Okay. There you go, put it in. Not there.
Chicken?
Now do some chicken. Alright, so close it now. See the shapes. Hammer, open it, let's see. Did we do it wrong? Was it supposed to be on the other side?
It doesn't come out.
Oh, look, comes out like a patty. See? You have to know how to open it. first drumstick. Wow.
I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna cook it.
Alright, so grill it. Alright, so grill it here.
And just cook it.
Here. No, you gotta put stuff in here. Alright, let's put some stuff in here now. Okay? In this thing. So take more Play-Doh. Okay. Here's the Play-Doh. And make the shapes.
I'm gonna make a hamburger next.
Look. That's lettuce. Okay?
Yes.
It's supposed to be green, but oh well.
We have green.
Use green.
And yellow, because yellow this too.
Well, you have to put it on top of the meat. The cheese goes on top of the meat. Looks like poop.
Right here.
Well, that's what it is. Look, the cheese goes on top. And then make the hot dog as well. The hot dog goes in between here. Alright, so what are you going to use for the hot dog? I think this. This is for hot dog, you're right.
No, brown. Brown is for hot dog.
Yeah?
No.
Alright, so use brown then. And put it inside. Make the shape.
I'm grilling some.
Look. It looks real, yo. This is a good toy, because this stays intact. I'm actually making a patty.
Oh.
A drumstick.
I thought that was a toy. There's the Play-Doh.
Yes.
That's cheese?
Yeah, it's supposed to be the cheese.
Oh, this looks yum.
Don't touch it, don't.
Where's the bread?
I'm
Oh
making.
yeah, what do we do with bread?
Bread's right here.
No.
Oh, the bun. That's the bun.
Yeah.
Yes. Nah, cut it.
No, those are the shapers. You actually have to make them.
I need to.
No, this is for the hot dog.
No, stop!
Make the hot dog already.
Stop! I'm looking already. Stop!
Oh, Lord have mercy. She doesn't want any help. Alright, the lettuce. Is this the lettuce? Is this supposed to be the lettuce?
Give me.
Alright, so talk to them then. Talk to your friends.
I'm cooking some hot dogs next.
And then you can make sausage or spaghetti here. Look, it goes in there. So let's make some spaghetti.
Yeah.
Right here. You put it through there. I'm gonna show you how you do it. I'm gonna have to put music. It's okay. Here. Alright, you ready to see? You ready? Oh no, this is the hot dog. Oh no, this is the cheese stick. Oh, I see. Put it here. Put it here. Okay, the spaghetti goes here. Does it?
I know one.
How do you do it though?
No.
No, it doesn't come out there.
This person, I know how to do it.
It doesn't come off. Look, it doesn't come off. It doesn't. Maybe we're supposed to open it?
No. Too much.
I don't think it goes here though.
No, you gotta put this.
Where?
Wait.
Oh, you're right. In between. Oh, you're so smart. Oh my gosh, she's so smart. How?
No, not like that.
This way. You're so right. You're so smart. Why are you so smart? Alright, so now you're right. Okay, so now you want to stop recording. Look at that.
You said French fries.
It looks like no spaghetti. Look, babe. Look how fun it is. Show Daddy. See, look.
Is it spaghetti?
Yeah, you make spaghetti or cheesesteak, and she knew how to.
Maybe cheesesteak, huh?
Because you just put this and it becomes that. Look at that. She's so smart. This is actually good because it's gonna keep us busy. Wow, there's a drumstick, but I don't know why we didn't pick
It's
it.
hot.
Why is it red?
Because we didn't know. We picked the wrong color. No, it's supposed to be this color. Okay, you can't mix them now. So, where's the hamburger? They're burning.
What's underneath here?
You gotta use the
panini.
spatula. Yeah.
Try the panini.
You gotta use the spatula. Come on. Flip it. Okay. Oh, and then look, it has this.
No, I want to
Guess. Oh, and the stars. Let's try the stars.
stars are yellow.
Huh? You want yellow?
Yeah.
All right. We gotta get this out first.
Some orange. So cool.
Okay, so what color do you want to put in? What color?
Yellow.
You put yellow?
Yes.
I don't want to open yellow. You want to open yellow?
Yes. It's gonna mix up.
My fingers are hurting. All right, so you put it inside, and you're gonna squeeze it.
And it was
But
stars.
where's the stars?
And then the
All right, go ahead, squeeze it. Whoa! Wait a minute. Why didn't it do shapes like stars?
It
Are
did.
they?
Yeah.
Are they shaped like stars?
No, because it went in, so it makes stars. So it would make the line stars.
Oh, the beginning. Look, the beginning is like a star. Yeah, look, that's a star. See? You see it now?
Yes. Ooh, that was squirt. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah.
You got all this stuff now. Grill it. Wow. Ooh, that's about to fall. Because this is too much there.
Ah.
Okay, lettuce don't belong in the grill. I mean, lettuce, but oh well.
Thank you so much for watching and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.